Take a ride in the 2012 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, power windows, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.